In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily integrate Google Calendar with Slack. Now, it's really straightforward and easy to do, but make sure you pay close attention to ensure you get every step correct. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go to this website called Zapier. And Zapier is basically an automation tool which allows you to automate different processes. Now, this is going to be crucial for making this work. It's really easy to use, so don't worry. Once we've signed in, we're going to go up to the top. We're going to click Create a Zap. From there, we're going to go over to where it says Trigger. And in here, we can do a few things. We can either select the trigger as Slack, or we can select the trigger as a Google Calendar. Now, I'm going to set the trigger as Google Calendar, so I'm going to click on this here. And we're going to go and select the event. So the event could be new event here. It could, there's tons of different events it could be. So for the most part, this is going to trigger when a new event is created. So I'm going to click on that one there. What we're going to do next, we're going to press continue, and it's linked up my email. What you're going to have to do here is you're going to have to add your email. It's very easy to do, and it's completely for free. Then we're going to select the trigger. So the trigger could be a ton of things. I've gone ahead and selected my email as the trigger. So now when a new event is created on this email, it's going to go ahead and trigger this automation. Then we're going to go ahead down to the action here, and we need to select what we want the action to be. So I'm going to type in Slack. And I'm going to select what's going to happen when the trigger is met. So there's a ton of different things you can do. You could send a direct message. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click send channel message. Like this. Continue. And I need to sign in with my Slack here. So I'll click sign in. It's going to ask for permission here. So just click allow. Then you can go ahead and click continue. And it's going to ask to pick the channel that you want the notification to go into. So you can just select one here. It's going to ask for the message. So I'm just going to put something like new event, like that. It's going to ask to send as a bot. It's going to ask for the bot name, so you can call this event. You can add an icon here. You can also include a link. You can attach a URL. There's a ton of different things you can do here. Then you can just click continue. And if you want to test it, you can go ahead and test it. And if you go into Slack, it should show that it's been tested. So you can see here that this has been sent into my Slack channel. So now I can just go ahead and publish this. Now I have a few errors in my thing here because I haven't actually connected up to my calendar, but you'd be able to go ahead and click publish. And then at the top here, you turn it on and then click publish there. And the next time that you get a new event on your calendar, it's going to automatically send you a Slack notification like that. So that's basically how you go about doing it. There's a lot more customization you can do here, but that's the basics of it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.